Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install the CD drive. So first of all, to install a CD drive, you need to remove this in the front here. You can see here, and for my case, all thing you have to do is push it and you'll get off. And it depends on your case how to take that off. Some of them might need to screw it or take that off. I'm not sure. So now moving on to the CD drive. Here I have a ASUS CD drive. Actually didn't matter for you to have a CD drive or not, but if you want to burn or listen to or watch high quality video, you need a Blu-ray CD drive, because it's more if the quality for the video is high, you need a Blu-ray, not like this normal sucky one. And but I actually don't need a CD drive, but in case you guys want to know how to install it, here I have our CD drive. So to install the CD drive, I would prefer to put it at the front, not at the back, because you already have everything, motherboard, CPU set up, and it's quite hard to put it at the back. So all thing you have to do is make sure this one is up and here is down, and just push it inside your case. And now we have to screwdriver this to make it stable. So here we have this one first. So okay, now moving on to the next one. And also you need screw the other one at the back, but I'm not gonna do that now because I need to turn back and everything. So I will do that in my own time, but you can do that in your own time too. So here we go. And next we have our wire to connect it to the motherboard to make your computer to read you have a C drive. So I have I think this is I'm not sure what's this, but I know it's a wire and connector. So you have to find this at the back. Where is it? Okay. You over here, and connect this into your motherboard at the back. And also, as I say, this is quite hard for me right now. I will do that in my own time because I need to turn my desktop around. So also you need a power source, which is on your power supply. And I think it's this one right here. The flat one I have right here is for your C drive. So all thing you have to do is put this in, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I will do that when I install the tutorial on installing the power supply. And that is the last video. So here we go. We have our CD drive installed.